Okay, let's have a look at neutralisation. Neutralisation simply means taking an acid and reacting with something until the pH of the solution you're left with is neutral. So the first thing to have a little quick recap of is the pH scale. The pH scale goes from 1 through 7, which is the neutral point, up to 14, which is a very alkaline solution. Okay, little quick memory aid. 0.7 on the pH scale is neutral. There are 7 letters in the word neutral. No, I don't think it was designed that way, but it's a useful coincidence. And there are 8 letters in the word alkaline, which is more than 7. So anything that's more than 7 is alkaline. And there are 6 letters in the word acidic, so if it's 6 or less than 7, it's acidic. Now, what we're going to do is have a look first of all at some of the patterns of neutralisation. There are 4 that you need to know about, and this is what they are. You need to know that an acid plus a base makes a salt, and it makes water. Now, a salt is just the name that we give to the substance that we make when we neutralise an acid. Okay, so there are lots of different kinds of salts. The one that we're most familiar with is common salt, which is sodium chloride. So don't confuse the two. If you're talking about a salt, you could be talking about one of dozens and dozens and dozens of compounds. If you're talking about salt, common salt, then that's sodium chloride. Now, if we take an acid and react with an alkali, we also get a salt and water. The only difference between a base and an alkali is that an alkali is water soluble. That's it. So they give you the same products when you react them with an acid. If you take an acid and you react it with a metal, you get a salt plus hydrogen given off as a gas. And if you take an acid plus a metal carbonate, like calcium carbonate, copper carbonate, then you get a salt, you get water, and you get carbon dioxide, again given off as a gas. Next, we'll have a look at some specific examples of these. We'll have a look at the equations that go with it. If you're not comfortable balancing equations, then I suggest you look at the balancing equations section before you carry on.